Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook Marketplace icon missing. So at the bottom of my screen you can see the Marketplace icon. I did some settings and it appeared again. So let me show you what are the settings I played around with. You need to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen, and from menu at the top you can see the little setting icon. Click on it. Once you click on the setting icon, scroll all the way down, and under preference tab you can see this option called navigation bar. Click on navigation bar and you can see this option called customize the bar. From over here we can customize the bar and choose what will appear over here and what will not appear over here. So this is the major issue that is causing the problem, alright? So click on customize the bar, and from over here where it says marketplace at the bottom, now your marketplace might be in hidden or might be in auto. Doesn't matter, but right beside there it's going to show you an arrow pointing down. Click on it and click on pin. Now once you pin your marketplace up, it's going to appear at the bottom just like this, as you guys can see. So by making sure your marketplace is pinned, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you guys can fix your Facebook Marketplace icon missing issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.